Hey, what's going on, everybody? Want to create a video about the EMP detonator and my current status on here. I'm going to do a live recompound of my earnings. If you're not familiar with EMP detonator, it's like a drip fork. It pays out 1%, very similar to the drip faucet, up to 365%. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. The liquidity pair is EMP token and Ethereum, but it's on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so if you want to earn a little bit of Ethereum in their native token, it's cool. The difference between drip faucet and this is you have to come to this particular website every day before the clock runs out, and you need to do that in order to compound or claim your earnings. Okay, you don't lose your earnings, it just goes back into the reward pool to pay out prizes and so forth. Okay, right now I have earned up to $634.12. This is my daily payout, which is about $4.81. Not anything major. My max payout is up $2,314.51. They have a lottery twice a day. A lot of people come in here towards the end. There's 8 minutes left until everything resets all over again. Right now it's still early. There's only 1,200 users in this particular protocol. This is a total deposited. That is moving. People are trying to get in here at the last minute. So they have a lottery every day. I have one ticket already because I made a deposit yesterday, but you need to at least deposit a certain amount each day to be able to enter into the lottery, and then your recompound amount needs to be up to this point to get a lottery ticket. Okay, they have two winners each day. So if you deposit EMP-ETH liquidity pair for burst rewards, instant rewards, daily largest prize, and join to the daily lottery. So there's one prize winner who is the daily largest depositor. So most people wait until the largest deposit because as of right now, this is the largest deposit. So people want to wait till the last minute. And then a daily random depositor. So just somebody randomly who makes a deposit. Unclaimed rewards are reclaimed by the contract at the end of the day for future rewards. Okay, there's a white paper right here. Feel free to read that to learn more about it. My highlighter just got lost over to the side. All right, I will leave a link to my referral link in the description below. I have one referral right now. I like to grow this even more. Support me and my channel. I greatly appreciate it. So before the clock runs out, let's recompound. So you just come over here to compound. Okay. And then this should change this number here shortly. And then while that's going, if you wouldn't mind, click the like button on the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified of other upcoming videos. Nice. All right, so in order to get the liquidity pair, they have a nice feature on here. What I do is I normally, before I get started, I set an alarm clock for this time every day. I have forgotten 3 times so far, and it's just because I was just tripping. But make sure I try to set an alarm just so I can remember to come in here and do that, because you just sometimes just get carried away. But they do have a nice feature in here. In order to create the liquidity pair, they have a zap in button right here. If you have some, you can either do it with BNB, ETH on the Binance Smart Chain, eShare, which is their native token, or EMP, which is also their native token. Okay, and then you would just you would put the amount of BNB that you'd want to split up. What it will do is it will split that liquidity pair for 50% EMP and then 50% ETH on the Binance Smart Chain. It will split it automatically for you. You would hit zap in, you would approve it, and then go through that whole process. Once you've zapped in, then you'll need to deposit it. Okay, it'll tell you right here also daily lottery, so you need a minimum at this time $1,500 per ticket. And right now, it's reminding me to get my compound done, but I've already done it this time. Thank you. This tells you what the largest deposit is at this moment if you want to kind of beat that out. Okay, but anyways, once you have your liquidity pair, you would just hit max. I don't have anything, but let's say hypothetically, okay, well, if I had 71 of these liquidity pairs, I would get 49 tickets. Okay, so you would just go ahead and deposit it, and it will go right into your account. Okay, on your purchase vote, so you can get up to 50% for deposits, up to 50, not 50%, up to 50 tickets in the lottery for deposit, up to 50 tickets when you compound. Okay, but when you compound, your daily earnings or whatever your compound amount needs to be $15.75. So if you figure that out, it's probably about $1,600 in order, you know, deposit it in there roughly. Okay, you do the math, but it needs to be that much as your rewards. I only get $4.86 in daily rewards, so I'm not going to get a lottery ticket for my compounding, if that makes sense. Also, once you read through the white paper down here, you can also take advantage of the farms. You're going to earn EMP-ETH liquidity pair as your reward. You could come in here and put your earnings into this farm and earn additional money. So like an additional money printer pays out at the time of this video 0.53 APR. You would just approve it, and then you'll get a plus sign, and you would just deposit your earnings in here, and then you would earn some eShare. You also could take advantage of the nodes. You would just approve your EMP. These are locked in here, but it's paying a pretty nice daily APR, 1.16% APR, and then that ends up being 425%. Okay, they don't have a lot locked in. It's pretty new. This is something new that they added, I think, within the last how long has it been? A month. I forgot how long I've been in here, but anyways, they have nodes, and then you can take your earnings from your farm and put it into the boardroom, long as this is above what do you call it, TWAP or whatever, above peg, then it will print money. This one is not, I wouldn't say this would be passive income, because you would have to make sure this is above peg, because when it's not, then it doesn't print, but right now it is printing. You can just deposit your eShares from your farm into here. You would just hit the plus sign to make your deposit, or when you withdraw, you just hit the minus, and then you could claim your rewards and so forth. If it's a below peg, you can just do some bonds. If you're really lazy, you can come over here to the auto vaults, okay, and then you can just deposit your earnings from, let's say, the detonator into here, and or from the farms. So if you wanted to just put your EMP, your ETH EMP pair in here, you can earn, was it 0.53 daily, and you don't have to do anything. You just put it in there, set it and forget it type of thing. That's if you just don't, or you can utilize all parts of the system. So the detonator, back to that, if you would like to refer others, the referral link is right here. Like I said, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description below. Also, the cool thing about this protocol, they also have a free academy. I will show you a preview of that real quick. It's free to join. It tells you how each part of the, I'm just going to sign in real quick so I can show you what it looks like. I want to keep this short, but I do want to let you see this, because this is not something you typically see on most protocols. All right, yes, I know I'm already enrolled. Thank you very much. So it has a course. It tells you the mindset before investing in EMP. They don't want people who are just interested in doing, you know, put money in, getting out, you know, pump and dump type of thing. They want the mentality to be long-term investing and using the whole protocol where you're printing money in various stages, you know. So you're using the farms, you're using the detonator, you're using the boardroom, and when the boardroom makes sense, and when it's, you know, above peg and stuff like that. It tells you about why it's peg, what is peg, and why is it important. The secret six, the people who are involved in this project, Crypto Mike is one of them. Thomas G was, I think there was a little drama going on there. You'd have to look at Crypto Mike's videos. He can tell you more about that. I don't know. I just want to make money. I don't care. But that's up to you. It tells you a little bit about the farms, detonators, the nodes, e-bonds, auto vaults, some AMAs, and bonus videos. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. I wanted to show you my live deposits, well, compounding, should I say. and give you a little my status and how I'm doing in that particular protocol. As you see, my deposits are up to 243. Oh, okay, I still got one lottery, so they haven't announced that yet. All right, have a good one, guys.